Welcome to the Ecoburner production facility based here in Ireland, located just beside Waterford Airport. We'd like to take you on a tour of our factory so we can show you how a SHAFO is made. The vessel is made from marine grade stainless steel and each unit is given a unique number for quality control purposes. It takes many parts to make each SHAFO and each part is thoroughly checked to ensure that it complies with our high standards. Various components are pre-assembled and then sent to the final assembly area. An example of this would be the OTV valve that Anna is assembling. We are now in the final assembly area where the pre-assembled parts have arrived and we are about to build each SHAFO. Once built, each SHAFO will undergo a number of tests. We operate a full function test check on each SHAFO. This means that each SHAFO is 100% tested. First, we test the integrity of each vessel in a 50 degrees Celsius water bath. This test also confirms that the OTV does not operate at lower temperatures. This is to ensure we do not experience nuisance tripping. We then move our test rig onto the 80 degree Celsius water bath test. This is to confirm that the over temperature valve operates correctly. We then move on to the flow rate test, where we confirm that the SHAFO is operating at the correct temperature and the correct flow rate. During this test, we also check the windproof feature before moving on to the test bench, where the OSD, overturned safety device, is checked at various fill levels. Finally, we carry out our burn test, where each unit has a full cycle before leaving the factory. Each unit is now individually packed and ready for shipping worldwide. Research and development is a cornerstone to Ecoburner business. I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Tony Owens, Head of Research.
Thanks, John. Yeah, I agree. It absolutely is. Engineering is fundamentally important to the business. It's a technology-driven business. When I think about how we do our engineering, there are four things that come to my mind. The first, I think, basically is our customer focus. We're very, very concerned that we basically deliver our customers what they expect. The second thing is the whole issue of advancing technology. Our technology doesn't stand still. We're constantly looking at new materials, new processes, new ways of assembling things with intellectual property in mind as well. The third thing then, I suppose, is sustainability, which is a fundamental part of Ecoburner's DNA. It's a green company, so sustainability is up there centrally. And then the final thing is the fact that we're very much driven by regulation. And because of the position we find ourselves, in fact, we find we are leading regulation more often than not. So we actually evolve new regulations, as it were, working with our notified body. And that's quite an interesting position to find oneself in. Ecoburner is a sustainable business, which basically means that it does things properly and it does them well. So those are the four things that are fundamentally in my mind as we develop our technology.
Thank you, Tony. Exciting times ahead for Ecoburner.